All right, Thursday morning, we've got markets trading higher after a down day yesterday. Markets got hit yesterday again big. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ all in the red. NASDAQ down over 1%, officially entering correction territory. So 10% lower from the recent high. So big moves in the NASDAQ, big moves in the tech stock to the downside. We've got more earnings due out today. We've got some more banks like Wells Fargo. We've also got a big report coming up after the close with Netflix reporting, so something to keep an eye on. Could see some more volatility in these markets as we've seen the past couple of days with some of these other earnings reports. Now, that being said, again, markets trading a bit higher in the open to the tune of about 0.3%. NASDAQ up just shy of 1% in the pre. So we are seeing some green on the screen. Dollar very quiet with the exception of some of these currencies linked to energy like Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar up nearly 0.5%. This morning. So something to keep an eye on there. Speaking of energy, energy right now down to the tune of about 1%. So trading just above $86 a barrel in WTI. All right, folks, another day, a lot going on, more earnings. Got some data points out this morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And again, who knows what's going to shake these markets up. We got to be ready for anything. It's been a crazy couple days. There's bound to be more opportunity today. Let's go get some. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.